Hey guys! Welcome back! For today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang isang workout na ginagawa ko kung meron akong free time. So sa nakikita nyo guys, naglalagay lang tayo ng sunscreen para hindi tayo iitim. Kaya samahan nyo ako sa aking for today's workout. Before we started, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you will be notified every time a new video goes live on my channel. So without wasting any further time, let's get right on this video.
So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane.
Sa mga hindi familiar, mayroong 4 na season dito sa Michigan, USA. Ito ay ang spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Sa video na to, nakikita nyo guys, parang summer siya, pero ito ay spring season. Hindi siya masyadong malamig at hindi siya masyadong mainit. Kaya normal lang, kaya ini-enjoy namin at ini-enjoy ng mga tao dito ang season na to. Up the hill.
You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say. I'm going crazy.
Maganda yung panahon today guys, kaya nagbike kami. Itong part na to is yung one loop niya is 30 minutes. So 30 to 45 minutes I guess. 80 degrees today guys. Here in Michigan. Nandito kami ngayon sa State Park. Magandang workout to. Paliit ng tiyan.
Tell me what you're thinking, give me what you're drinking. Tell me what you're thinking, give me what you're drinking. You and me, we got something special, baby. You and me, you and me. I can think this was never meant to happen. You and me, you and me. I can't help it. I can't help it. I can't help it. I can't help it, baby. Oh, yeah. I can't help it. I can't help it, baby.
Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ako ay takot sumakay ng bicycle noon. Pero ngayon, sinasanay ko yung sarili ko kasi magandang workout ito para sa sarili ko. At yung mga park dito guys, state park or metro park, maganda yung paligid niya. Kaya maganda ding sumakay ng bicycle at the same time nakapag-workout ka.
I can think this was never meant to happen. You and me, you and me. I can't help it. I can't help it, baby. I can't help it. I can't help it, baby. I can't help it. I can't help it, baby. I can't help it.
Oh, tingnan nyo, parang astig tingnan. Parang sanay na sanay lang. Pero, hindi yan. Sikreto lang natin yan, guys. Humihingal ako. Pagod na ako. Up the hill.
When you say I'll be there for you, 진심인 게 느껴져. 눈물 날 때도 겹에 아플 때도 지금 이 순간도 내 앞에 있잖아. 어쩔 땐 너가 mysterio. 있으면 좋겠다 생각해. 날 위로해주는 지금 이 음악처럼 무슨 말해도 내 맘 밑을 쳐. Got my phone now, got my stereo now. You know I don't want you to go. Sing along to my stereo. Yeah. Got my phone now, got my stereo now. No, I don't want you to go, to go. When you go, and I'm feeling low, low. I just sing along to my stereo, stereo. Got my phone now, got my stereo now. No, I don't want you to go, to go. When you go, and I'm feeling low, low. I just sing along to my stereo. You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this right.
I'm tired, guys. Almost there. Magandang workout sa chan, kapalit ng chan. But I'm tired, guys. I am tired.
understand. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you.
So after mag-bike ride guys, ito yung iinumin ko all the time. Yung mag-workout ako. Ayan, muscle milk. Para babalik yung energy natin. Protein shake. Okay. Let's drink it.
We keep our hearts